Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, Mom, sir. My name is Sonia Marie Aguirre. I am 31 years old. I am single. I have one brother and I am Catholic.
How many brothers do you have? One
One
brother.
brother.
Okay, so what is your position in the family?
I am the youngest one.
And you have a live-in partner or boyfriend?
Live-in partner now.
How long you been together?
10 years now.
No plan in getting married for now?
Not now, Mom, sir.
Not now. Okay, so why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family.
Are you college graduate?
Undergraduate now.
How long you studied in college?
2 years now.
2 years. What is your course before?
Marketing management.
Are you next abroad or first time?
Ex-abroad now.
From what country?
Saudi Arabia.
For how long you work in Saudi?
Almost 7 years.
Almost 7 years. Okay. For one employer only?
Yes, ma'am.
And how many members of the family did you serve here?
One, ma'am.
One elderly, one.
One character.
How old the elder?
89, ma'am.
Is grandma or grandpa?
Grandma.
Grandma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So is she the one who will you're still working for before?
Yes,
Only
ma'am.
one person?
Yes, ma'am.
And what did you do as her helper?
Cleaning the house, laundry, cooking for, and taking care of my employer.
So your employer before can walk by herself or you need to assist her?
Can walk by herself.
How about going to bathroom, like taking a bath?
I'm the one who's helping her taking a bath.
Okay. And also like feeding, you don't need to feed her?
No, ma'am.
So she can eat by herself also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So why you did not renew or why you did not continue working with her?
Because she died, ma'am, when I'm vacation here in Philippines.
So it means while on your vacation, she passed away before?
Yes.
That's why you did not come back again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you want to work in Hong Kong, and are you ready to work for how long you want to work in Hong Kong?
10 years now.
So as long your employer needs you, you will work with them?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have day off before in Middle East?
Ma'am?
Do you have any day off?
No, ma'am.
And are you willing to accept job order that your day off is only weekdays, not Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any pet?
No, ma'am.
And you love kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
Your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
Hello to my dear employers. I promise you that I will do my best. And I do my best taking care of you and the household chores. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2262.